In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a form in Zoho Creator. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To start, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Zoho's main website. Zoho provides a suite of cloud-based software services tailored for businesses. It's important to keep your bookmarks handy if you frequently use Zoho tools. Once you're on the Zoho homepage, look for the Sign In option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you have them on hand so you can smoothly log into your account. After signing in, you'll land on the Zoho homepage. Now it's time to navigate to the Zoho Creator. If you're unfamiliar with Zoho Creator, it's a powerful platform that allows you to build custom apps for your business needs. You'll find a list of Zoho applications there. Just click on Creator to proceed. You'll now be shown a list of applications that you have access to. This is where your form is likely located. Take a moment to review the applications and select the one that contains the form you wish to edit. Usually applications are organized by purpose, so choose the most relevant one. Once you've selected your application, now's the time to hit edit. This will grant you the access you need to make changes. Clicking edit will bring up different settings and customization options available for your application. If you're new to Zoho Creator, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various settings you see. To directly modify your form, look for the Open Form Builder option. Click on this and you'll enter the form building interface. This is where the magic happens. The form builder interface is user friendly with drag and drop functionality that is intuitive and flexible. You can add new fields, adjust existing ones, and customize as per your requirements seamlessly. Remember, every change you make can have implications down the line, so double check your modifications before moving on. And there you have it, you've learned how to navigate Zoho Creator and edit a form to suit your needs. This process is not overly complicated, but it does require attention to detail to ensure everything functions correctly within your application. Once you're satisfied with your edits, make sure to save your work to preserve all the changes you've applied. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need to brush up on these steps, and don't hesitate to reach out to Zoho's support team if you encounter any issues. Happy editing, and see you next time.